I've had a lot of free time lately, so I've decided to make masks for hospitals in need. I'm repurposing this 100% cotton shirt to make the masks. An adult size pattern is 9 by 6 inches, and you will need 2 rectangles of fabric, one for the front and one for the back of the mask. I just made my pattern out of some paper towel that I had, and it turned out nicely because if you cut onto the pattern, it wasn't a big deal. Hem the long edge of both rectangles of fabric. This is for the pocket opening. For this next step, cut 2 7-inch long elastics. Now put the right sides together and pin the ends of the elastic to each corner. That way when we flip it inside out, the elastics will be secured in place. On the hemmed edge, I use my seam ripper to show how big of a gap I should leave. Remember not to sew it all the way closed. Now that it's right side out, we're going to add 3 small pleats. Masks are on back order for weeks, and many healthcare facilities need them now, so make reusable masks and look for healthcare facilities requesting them.